Greatorex v. Greatorex 2000. John Greatorex had been drinking with his friend Haydon Pope. John then, with Haydon's permission, drove Haydon's car, and Haydon was a passenger. John drove the car recklessly and was involved in a head-on collision with another vehicle. Haydon was uninjured, but John suffered a serious head injury and was unconscious, trapped in his car for about an hour. The emergency services were called and the claimant, Christopher Greatorex, John's father, a leading fire officer, arrived on the scene. Christopher attended to his son and then suffered long-term severe post-traumatic stress disorder as a result of the incident. The claimant brought an action against his son for the psychiatric injury caused by his negligence. The claim failed on policy grounds. Whilst the claimant was a secondary victim and met the criteria set out by Lord Oliver in Alcock v. Chief Constable of South Yorkshire, a primary victim does not owe a duty of care to a third party in circumstances where his self-inflicted injuries caused that third party psychiatric injury.